Are you looking to remove the Q&A from your TikTok bio? In this video, I'll show you how to do just that. I'll walk you through the steps to take in order to get rid of the Q&A function on your profile. So make sure to watch this video until the very end and you'll know exactly how to remove the Q&A from your TikTok bio in no time. First of all, open up the TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your TikTok profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Creator Tools. After that, simply tap on the Q&A option over here. So when you are on this screen, what you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then simply toggle this off. And it will remove the Q&A function from your profile. So let's go back and, as you can see, it is completely removed from my TikTok bio. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.